Well, here's another reason to get a good night's rest. I feel like we talk about these stories. There's a million reasons why you should be sleeping at night, but getting 6 hours a night instead of 8 may increase your chances of waking up dehydrated. It's according to a new study out of Penn State University. Researchers say a hormone that controls hydration may be interrupted in the bodies of short sleepers. The study asked 20,000 adults about their sleeping habits, and they provided urine samples to measure hydration levels.